So, it's you.
Have you received the package?
Yes. You know it can't be done. Not like this.
It must be done.
Seems impossible. No way we can pull it off. Drugs, alcohol, lack of purpose, haram relationship. It's too much.
There is no other option.
If it must be done, then I have to do it my way. My team, my rules.
Go on. I'm listening.
First of all, I'll need a point man. Someone who's good with research, well-grounded, who can handle himself under pressure. Mughira Luqman, codename Enigma.
Who else?
Then I'll need 2 youthful influencers. Popular with the crowd, relatable, practical, guys I can count on in any situation no matter how tough. Ali E, codename Off-Road. Tuaha ibn Jalil, codename Cliff Jumper.
What about the muscle?
I've got that covered. I have just the man in mind. He's rough, edgy, doesn't back down from a fight. He's charming, yet ruthless. I'm talking about Wajuddin, codename Left Hook.
Anyone else?
Last but not least, I'll need a psychoanalyst. Someone who connects with the youth, understands their challenges, and isn't afraid to lend a helping hand. Muhammad Ali, codename Introspective.
Is that all?
I have a few other heavy hitters in mind, but I'll share their details on a need-to-know basis.
Sounds fair. You may proceed.
I didn't ask for your permission.
This is for your eyes only. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is as follows. The Winds of Change Tour 2022 is now underway. Over a dozen speakers, traveling across Pakistan, visiting schools, colleges, universities, and various other public venues, starting October 2nd till October 30th, 2022, giving lectures, talks, workshops, on youth-related issues. There is a link visible on your screen. Head over to that link for more details. This media device will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
Gentlemen, it has begun.